Yo, yo, yo. New York session. What have you got for us? What have you got for us? Alright. Let's take a look at gold. This gold is obviously very bullish. New high yesterday. New high today, maybe. I don't know. But we're pushing up. Not much of a push up. We do have news at 3 o'clock today. So, what, 2.5 hours. Daily is a small bullish candle, but bullish nonetheless. 4 hours just about to flip bullish. Didn't have much of a top wick. In fact, the 10 o'clock candle just pushed straight down, doesn't have a top wick at all, so could be making one now. Retested previous 4 hour support, or down here. We've got a 4 hour support at 2782. And then a resistance at 2823. What's up, Caswell? So let's see what happens with gold today. If we can push, break above this resistance, we could get another high today. Wouldn't it be crazy? Doing a fresh analysis. So we got the resistance at the highs. And then we just got these lower highs here. I do think price needs to make a top wick for this 10 AM candle. Has it done that already? Opened at 2:55. Yep, it's kind of made a top wick slightly. But yeah, price has just been ranging in London session. It's just been ranging. Clean candles above this resistance. So 70 pips above 2823, clean range. Other than that, we're just inside this area here. Would put a little support here. There was a closure below, but this candle didn't break the low. 11 AM candle didn't break the low. We continue pushing down, so nothing going on just yet. On gold, do you have a bottom wick on this? Nope. No bottom wick on this 1230 candle. Alright, GJ. So GJ is weak, bullish. Right now, so doji, indecision candle, not surprised. Just been ranging as well today. Playing in between 4 hour key levels. So I had a 4 hour zone marked out here. Like that. And then a 4 hour down here. On IC markets, it's a bit different. But I had a support here. Well, it's a bit higher up that it tapped and then pushed up from. But right now, 4 hours bearish, and pound yen could be making a lower high. Continue pushing down. Won't know until this candle closes. But yeah, it's holding at this 4 hour resistance for now. So look, 30 minute and a 1 hour. We've got a double top. We've kind of got an M pattern, which if it plays out, it could mean more sells. As if pound yen finally breaks this support. But I am more bullish on pound yen, so that's what I'm really looking for. So I've got a resistance at these highs and a support down here and a nice big range. So yeah, just have to see what what happens with pound yen. I would like a support to form, push back up. How big is this range? From here to here, about 40 pips. It's a 90 pip range. I do want to retest. I'm not sure if it will sell all the way down, but I do think it's going to pull back some more. If it can push past the daily flip. If not, I need a closure above, not really this resistance. I need a closure above 193 points. I had it at 0.3 before. But I kind of want to clear all of this to the left and then continue up. But to be honest, nothing is looking super clean right now. Everything's just ranging. Higher highs, higher lows, lower highs. It's just all over the place. Just need a good breakout. Need a nice breakout. Just gotta wait for that. Yeah, I don't see what's gonna have the move sooner, to be fair. Maybe gold. Gold closure above. Gold closure above looks good. If it can finally get to this resistance, but yeah, these lower highs right here could flip and push down. Hey Rosie, what's up? So Jolt's jobs openings. Yeah, we've got a while to go for that. Let's see what happened the last time that news came out. So Jolt's. Not a fan of 3 o'clock news. Okay, last news was January the 7th. January 7th, and it was good numbers. Was it by itself or was something else? ISM Services PMI, which was good as well. So 2 lots of positive data on January 7th. Right, let's go back and have a look. January 7th. So we had good numbers and a big drop. So it pushed all the way up, and then before news, it respected the highs as well, and then dropped. Could get the same thing today. It's that 150 pip drop. Not bad. Not bad at all. But that was 2 lots of news, 2 lots of data that came out. And we only got 1 today. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. It's going to be another waiting game till we get some closures or some key levels respected. GJ just hovering around the daily candles open, where the daily flips. So everything's ranging before news. Yeah, it kind of looks so. Kind of looks that way. Kind of looks that way. Yeah, just gotta wait for the volume to come in. Yeah, it's only NY open, pre-NY open, so we're not even there yet. Should see some volume come in about 1:30, so about an hour or so. Just gotta wait for that volume. I honestly thought GJ would have pushed up by now, but it's holding. Nice M pattern. So then, if the M pattern was going to continue, where am I? Because this is the top. So if it was to complete and break the neckline, and we'd be heading for down here, 191.8 area. That's if that pattern decides to play out. For that to happen, we need a closure below the neckline, or this 4-hour support. Yeah, pound yen, still kind of bullish on pound yen. It's just taking its time, which it has been doing recently. The moves have been super late. Look at this push up, 3 o'clock. Yesterday was crazy. And I said to one of my friends, because this was the Mexico and Trump sorting out their trade tariff agreement. That was that. And look where it happened to tap into. A 4-hour support as well. It's a 4-hour level down here. If I adjust it. But yeah, look. 4-hour support, bounced, tapped and bounced off. Like when the fundamentals align with the technicals. But yeah, this was a strong push. Also, price created a higher low too. And just, yeah, we rocketed. We ended up closing that gap. I didn't think it would happen the same day, to be honest, because it was a big push. How big was this? This candle was like, it was a 5-minute candle as well. It happened very quick. 160 pips. And it was kind of like a break and retest. Came back, retested this previous resistance. And yeah, just kept on going up. Now we're up here. But was looking for a closure above. Because obviously price was making lower highs. So I wanted a closure. And we've got this clean range up. So that happened after 3 o'clock. Gold buys yesterday were really nice. I think Benny caught the best entry. Well, early entry I should say. He was in down here, right? Wait, where's the daily flip there? Let's move that up. There's the dailies up here. So yeah, Benny got a nice move. And then I was waiting for a closure above the highs right here, this resistance. Which happened 2 o'clock. We pushed up, closed above. Beautiful push, just boom. So I may not take the moves on stream, but the moves are definitely discussed and they do play out. I'm not really worried about stream records. The ideas are correct. That's what matters. And yeah, it was nice. It was nice. Use Messenger. bottom wick. Are we pushing up? Are we pushing down? What are we doing, gold? GJ's not doing nothing, but gold's pushing. We're gonna get that closure. Got a new M15 candle. Said yesterday's gold buys were great. You had 2 entries. Yeah, man, you definitely took a good entry. Definitely. No, it was a nice push up. 100%. Look, I mean, even the 15 created that continuation pattern. So we had the 2 o'clock candle obviously pushed up, which is here, and then yeah, would have gotten at the 230, but same continuation pattern, same entry, perfect setup. Let's continue up. What are we thinking? Gold new all-time highs again today? What would price have to break? All-time highs are at where is this? What's the price? The high 30.75, 2830.75. 2830.75. $2822. Gold, are we pushing? We pushing? Are we pushing? Think it will fill the daily wick? Yeah, it's not far off, is it? It's not far off at all. Yeah, I mean, at this rate, I think it will push up too, because it's obviously respected the previous low. Very bullish. Shoot, why not? If we can get a close above in the next 6 minutes, just under 6 minutes, that would be great. Alright, so I'm gonna hold at this resistance or break it. Let's see what the 1 hour's got, but this is the 1 hour. So 30 minutes, let's see. GJ's forming that support. time on gold. Buys look good on GJ to the resistance. How big is this range? 40 pip range. Yeah, it doesn't look bad at all. Doesn't look bad. How big is the stop loss? 18 pips, 20 pip stop. I'll say it was to the top. 22 to that one, 28. I mean, it's at least 20 pips. I think I'm gonna wait though. I think I'm gonna wait because I just don't like that price is making lower highs. So it could push up, but it might push up a little bit and make another lower high. So I'm gonna wait till it's all cleared and then get into my trade, or wait for a bigger range. But the time frames are aligned nicely. Well, the daily. 4 hours bearish. 1 hour. Yeah, I'm gonna wait on GJ. I'm gonna wait. I see the potential. I always look at, connect the tops. So if it pushes up, it could push up to here. Still about 20 pips away, to be fair. Didn't get the closure on gold. Still in this range. GJ ain't got a bottom wick yet. Well, it does, but very small bottom wick on pound yen. So what would be the move? The move would be... I'm not in this. I could do that. Not bad. See if GJ pushes. So now the gold 4 hours obviously broken the highs. Got a long rejection wick. Got kind of structure's okay, it's not wonderful. Leave it on the 30-minute. As well, did you get your buys? at 20 pips. At 10 so far, halfway. GD and gold both pushing. Oh god, don't break it now. Just giving us that closure above. This is a 30-minute and a 4-hour resistance that gold is approaching. There's a strong resistance level on gold. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Especially being a 4-hour resistance. But you know, closure above and we're good. Okay, gold broke the previous high, but it's not pushing. I guess it's only been 5 minutes. Maybe. I'll see what the price action's like. If price is still ranging before the news, then probably not. To be honest, I kind of gauge it on that. If I don't feel like anything's happening, then I'll jump off. You know what I mean? If we reach 280.30 by the time news comes out, or we get close, might stay on. We'll know in an hour. But yeah, I normally give it till about 2 o'clock. Alright, finally, are we breaking this resistance? Is it holding? It's pushing. It's pushing. It's a break above these wicks, and then it's gone. Got all this wick to fill to the left. So above 24, what's that, 24.60, 24.50. I wouldn't really call this a rejection area here. Just a little zone. Has it had strong rejections? Kind of is. You think GJ will hit 20 pips? This is where 20 pips is. I don't know. Looks like pound yen and gold are both going up at the same time. So if gold keeps going up, I think pound yen does. But I mean, if you draw the highs together, I think GJ gets there. If I was in this trade, I'd probably be at break even now. Yeah, I'd most likely be at break even. Or at least close some, because, yeah. It's not a bad range. There's still distance for it to go. It's just, yeah, the lower highs for me I didn't really like. But I'll definitely take some off the table. Just because I wouldn't have been super confident in it. But yeah, look, it looks good to keep at least to the 20 pips. It looks good. Ooh, I see gold hit 2824. Gold is so bullish. It was holding under the 2700s. It wasn't for too long, but every time it came into the 2700s, it would reject. It was around here. Even further. Yeah, just wasn't feeling it. It was, what, months? This was the first time we came up here. October. Pushed up, dropped down, came in, dropped back. Every time. And then finally. GJ's got to get to what, 193? Let's hit that 20 pips. I'll be back in 1 sec. Gold's on its way up. So maybe get the closure above in the next 15 minutes. GJ is taking his time, but it doesn't move as quick as gold anyway, unless there's some like high impact stuff going on. So I'm not even surprised. 15-minute impulse on gold. 15-minute closure above. How big is that stop loss? 37 pips, not too crazy for gold. Little 15-minute entry. It closed above the 30-minute line. Just about closed above the 15. Clean range. GJ got close, very close. How high did it go? To 96. Alright, it's broken the high. Broken the 15 high. Gold price is really tweaking. I'm into the clean range for gold. Hopefully it doesn't push up too much. Can't even use the 15 for a stop loss if it pushes up too much. Alright, it's already at 27 pips. How big is this 30-minute candle? Let's see. Oh, gold. 46 pips and going. This range was only 70 pips. Not even a full 70 pips. Oh, yeah. Now where are we gonna get in? It's pushed all up into this range. Who's that? Gold has left the building. Damn. Alright, so no closure above then in 9 minutes because it's gone. But yeah, it was looking good once it broke these 4-hour highs. And obviously we got the wick fill, the daily wick fill to the left. Yeah, new high today. Gold is just on a run. Oh shoot, it's gonna pop. Gold is gonna pop. Oh shit. What's the target, guys? What's the next target? Where's it going to? To the moon. To the moon. God damn. I can't believe gold has gone like this. I mean, I can. But wow. They don't want to wait. What's GJ doing? GJ's still struggling. Right, so what are you going to use as stop loss now for this closure above? Because you can't use this. 15-minute candles, 108 pips. So not that candle. Jeez. Would like a retest of this broken resistance, like a little bounce and then continue up. Little retest of 28.30. So hopefully if the next candle makes a bottom wick, taps this resistance and then re-breaks this high, I think I'll be looking for some buyers. Yeah, 35 pips. And then use the entry candle as a stop loss. That's the only way I'd do it. I don't know if we'll get that retest though. The way it's pushing, might get a little bottom wick. So what you said, every $10, that's what you target. So it would have been 28.30. So what, 28.40 then would be the next one. Yeah, I kind of do it every. Yeah, probably every $10 as well, to be honest. I think I put 28.50 though on my daily analysis. I did 28.40. So yeah, 28.40. I guess yeah, every 10 pips. Man, glad there's a closure above, but at the same time, I'm not glad because, you know what I mean? Wait for us. Now, where could have we got in? It's just nowhere possible, really. Right, maybe here. Closure above. Ignoring all that to the left. But the thing is, I only move my key levels like if they're higher, not really below, so I wouldn't have used this one. Maybe I'm gonna start back testing that. That was the quickest bottom wick I've ever seen. It's gone. It is gone. Gone. No top wick, 30 minutes on gold. Yeah, gold is gone, man. It's gone. It's gone. It's not even giving a move on pound yen. The price action. Yeah, this is what I was thinking. It closes below, doesn't reach, and then makes a lower high here. That's what I was thinking for pound yen. That's why I didn't really like the buys up in this small range. Plus, we still don't have a bottom wick, so price is definitely going to come down at some point and make that bottom wick. This is good. A little gold pullback. Just a little. what I wanted to see was just a little bounce. It's a little bounce, a bit more of a bottom wick. Oh, what happened to the stream? Sorry guys, don't know what happened there. But yeah, we'll see a little bounce. But don't forget, this is kind of what happened last time. There was this Jolts news. Price was pushing up, it was very bullish. And then when news came out, it dropped 150 pips. That GJ range is boring. That's it. Give us a bit of a range. I'm not gonna lie, I was thinking about taking an entry there when price rebroke the highs after it pulled down and made that longer bottom wick, but yeah, I'm not gonna force anything. Not all the way up here. Because when you get a strong breakout from a range, like out of a range, you kind of want, you know, the breakout area to be retested. So at least, you know, support, pull back, support, then push back up. But I was considering it. Gold's gone. Maybe a continuation pattern on gold to continue up, if possible. Oh man, I don't even know. There's not going to be no trades on gold, I think, for the next... maybe the next hour. Because I wouldn't take a break at a high now. Not after this push up. Now I need structure. So I need the resistance, then I need the support, and then buy up from the support again. Because buying at the highs like this, yeah, I just don't think it's a great idea. I wouldn't buy here. Yeah, me neither. Me neither. No, there's no rush. There's no rush. It looks like GJ's finally moving. It's catching up. Okay, made a bottom wick. I mean, shoot. Looks like gold's slowing down finally. Not out of the woods yet though. Maybe. I was thinking maybe continuation pattern on the 50. No top wick. Go on, flip and drive up. Might as well. Yeah, no trades. 15-minute continuation pattern. Yeah, should feel this wick. It's still closed bullish, just about. It's made a top wick at least. Going back to 2836. Fill the wick. Has run out of steam. Looks so. It looks so. Look, now if it breaks this 15-minute low, could see a further push down, a bit more of a retracement. Yep, good. Pull back some. Give us something to trade through. This is good. Remove the resistance for a drop down. What do you mean? I want a retest of this resistance right here. And possible potentially a retest of this one. But yeah, this is the pullback I was looking for. Good. Just messaging me. Do you want? Yeah. This is good. The resistance is not going to hold. It might retrace further. Yeah. If it does, it does. If it closes below, I'll take it off. But for now, that's my first retest point. So yeah, it's not invalid for me yet. Yeah, it's not invalid for me yet. Okay, GJ's pushing up, but nothing going on yet. 1 hour candle's about to close. This has been an eventful little push. Yeah, this pattern here, this is what I was talking about being a reversal pattern yesterday. When you get a long bullish candle, then a weak one in the middle, then a long bearish candle. It's called like either, I think it's a morning star or evening star, but it's actually a reversal pattern. Let's see where it stops. It's the 30-minute I really want anyway. Let's see. said fake out if it closes below again. Yeah, that's what I want to see. If it holds or if it closes below. If it closes below, then potentially obviously sells to retrace this push up. And then I'll look to see what happens at the next resistance. You know, I'm gonna play it resistance to resistance, basically. But yeah, it all depends on where this candle closes. If it stays above, it could push back up, or it could just break the low and still push down. But I want to see where it holds here first, if it holds here first. Oof, look, GJ tapped the resistance, pulled back. Jesus. Tapped it perfectly. The thing with gold too, it's a new 4-hour candle. So we need a nice wick down or wick up. Oh my god. It's gold price action, man. Like, it looks good on the higher time frames. You can see it's obviously bullish structure, but just at these all-time highs. Where is it gonna close? It's a good pullback though. Very good pullback. Alright, resistance might be holding. But still, if we break the low, we can still push further down, retrace some more. New 4-hour candle, big closure above. 1-hour closure above as well. How big is this top wick? This top wick is 51 pip wick fill. 51 pips. So break and retest. Yeah, that's what it looks like. kind of what it looks like. That's what I drew out earlier. You'll see it push up, retest. Oh, I don't know if it keeps going though. Well, definitely not looking like that, but what goes up must come down. I mean, yesterday, but this was pre-news yesterday as well. So the 3 o'clock candle obviously retraced because the news was good for the DXY. It was supposed to be. Well, we've broken this low. Now we've got all of this to retrace. If you can push back into this area. Is it pushing back up? Just a 15-minute top wick. GJ don't want to give us nothing. Yeah, GJ's a long way for any entries that I want anyways. I won't take an entry until I hit what buys above 193.3 and sells. You know what? Oh, sorry. Sells I would take a closure below here now. Because I anticipate if it does close below, it will flip the daily bearish again. And then I will take the sells down. They're struggling to push up. So if this news is good for USD, then JPY is going to go up as well. And GJ would go down. Do you think gold's going to retrace this whole move up? Oh, Goldie. Go on then, new high again. Might as well, since we're here. You see these gold prices? I remember one lot on gold. One lot on gold used to cost about, say, like $200 and something, $200, $300. Now, today's price, one lot on gold is $560. Ain't that something? Impulse entry after the break of the 30-minute high. Yeah, I love that you call these impulse entries. Because, yeah, I wouldn't know where to get in. But, oof. 67 pip stop loss, yeah? And that's on the 15. Oh, I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. 67 pip stop loss. I mean, you guess it could reduce the risk, but I'm gonna wait for support to form. Hopefully get a bit of a smaller stop. I don't know why I'm looking at pound yen. I can see the price ain't going nowhere. You're not gonna get a better stop loss than this. Listen, I'll take entry candle lows if I have to, but I'm not taking a 70 pip stop loss at this point. I can wait it out. I can wait. And to be honest, it's been a while since I've hit full stops anyway. I always reduce my position, but gold moves so quick. It moves too quick. It jumps up and down, 10, 20 pips. So it could drop, I could close positions and it could go back in my direction. That would annoy me. So I'd rather have a smaller stop to avoid that. I don't want to call it panic because it would be planned, but yeah. I wouldn't want to lose 60 pips, I'll tell you that much. It's a bit too much for me in one go. This is good. Don't have to have a 70 pip stop loss. This is very good. Could be a continuation pattern to the downside. Hopefully not. I wouldn't sell into this, well, sell into the resistance anyway. I need a closure below. But this is what I mean about gold swinging up and down like 20, 30 pips in a row, like quickly. Look at this, 30 pip pullback, just boom. Oh, some silly friends, man. I don't think I can hold out to the news, guys. Still at 45 minutes. I want to see how this 30-minute candle closes, and then I'll take it from there. But I think news will potentially be a bit of a sell-off. Not crazy, but I think news will have a pullback. If the date is good, I think gold will pull back a bit. And then I think it will continue bullish. So I'm not sure. We could get something like yesterday where it pulled back and then it sort of just rained for the rest of the session. Alright, so 15 created a support. Now I prefer this. If I was going to take a trade, now I've got 15-minute structure. So if it respects the low and then breaks this high, I would use the entry candle low as a stop loss and price continue up. That's how I would play it now, using the 15, and that's only to get a better stop loss. I wouldn't use the previous low because it's still 60 pips, but break of the high and hopefully like at least respect. Might retest this minor support. If it's like 30, 40 pips max, it'll be good. You know? 1-to-1 on GJ. What if it closes above? Oh, would you take a break of this high? That's a risky one there. It's a bit risky. 20. Yeah, what would your setup be? Buys after the closure. Oh, 1-to-1 up to the next resistance. If it wasn't a 4-hour level up here as well, I would like it more. Oh look, 4-hour continuation pattern. Oh, look at that. Doesn't look bad actually. But look, 4 hours respecting previous highs. 1 hour's creating high lows. That's a good sign. Closure above. These ranges, man, they're just too tight. The thing is, I don't even think, I think I can wait the extra 20 pips for like the closure above. I need good confirmations. Like this one yesterday, it was a long wait. But once price closed above, look, it got all the way up to 45 pips. Because it's got this clean range to the left, right? Wait, where was it? Oh, that was a late one on Friday. Yesterday's closure above was here. Closure above there. And this one as well got to about 50 pips. Because you've got clean candles. That's if we get the closure above. Yeah, gold's chilling now. I don't want to push no more. Let's see, market open in 10 minutes. Damn, the Rams are getting rid of Cooper Cup. Oh, shoot. Those sports are going crazy. TJ's not trying to go nowhere. So yeah, a break of this high would be nice for buyers up. Smaller stop loss, entry candle low. Just no TP to the left. So you'd have to hold for 30 pips just to get a 1-to-1. A lot of nothing going on right now. Oh man. Yeah. Well, definitely waiting for news at this point. Definitely waiting for news now. The volume's died down. We're just ranging. You know what I mean? 15 minutes are going sideways. But we had a retest, break, and retest, which is perfect. So I think maybe the next candle should push up, should continue pushing up, and then news, you know, pull back again. So that's what I'm anticipating for the next hour and a half. It's kind of what I would like to see. Doesn't mean it's gonna happen. Gold's gonna do what gold wants to do. You know that for sure. Pound yen is respecting this resistance. Like, I was hesitant on buys today, and that's just because of this resistance. But we've seen this before. Even last week Friday, it taps the resistance loads of times. It holds. Look, we even had an M pattern last week, and then what happened? It finally broke and price continued up. So I'm staying with the bullish bias on pound yen, because obviously the daily is still bullish. It's just struggling to break, but when it does break out, it's going to break out. It will happen. Just don't know when. These days it's been happening quite late into NY. And look, there we go. Gold broke the highs. Yeah. Now this would have been my entry. I would have actually looked to get in here. But I mean, it's right before the 2:30, right before the next 30-minute candle. So I'm anticipating that the next candle has to make a bottom wick, right? And then push up. So I'll probably wait until news now, see if I can catch some of those sells for news, if it decides to. If the data is good, then I'll take my chances on the sells. If it's bad, then I think gold's going to continue pushing. So 2840, then 2850 next. We'll be at 3,000 by the end of the month. Wouldn't that be nice? How big would the so margin would be $600 if gold gets to 3,000. Might as well start trading US 30 at these prices. Crazy, right? Yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave it here. On gold, closure above 15-minute. On gold, closure above the 15-minute support. Higher probability for buyers. I mean, there's 15-minute resistance. Yeah, if it continues up, I mean, look, even a 30-minute closure above resistance here. I think gold's gonna keep going. Honestly, I do think it keeps pushing. But yeah, I'm gonna leave it here. And wow, looked away for 2 seconds. Gold ain't done yet. Go ahead, gold, do your thing. You know I'll be, guys. Hit me up in the Discords. Got a quick phone call to make, and then, but yeah, I'll be up, be at the charts. Got my eye on the charts. Got my eye on the charts. Benny, you took the buyers. Oh, nice. I'm glad someone took those 15-minute buyers. I'm glad. Like, I may not take the trade, but I always discuss the moves and what I want to see. So yeah, that trade for me, it was perfect. It was perfect. If I traded on the 15, but yeah, it closed before. But look, 29 pip stop. You would have already got the 1-to-1. Already got the 1-to-1. You know, got the break, got the retest of this resistance, which was perfect. Come on, guys, I'm dropping gems here. I'm dropping gems. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Same time. And tomorrow we have, what day is it today? Wednesday, Tuesday. So we have ADP and, I can't read my writing, it's too far away. And services PMI tomorrow. So, yep. See you tomorrow, guys. Peace out.